Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we have a 48-inch Mercator Swift ceiling fan.
And he's gonna smash it.
Oh, frick, I won't smash it! And yes, we're joined here with Lachlan's Lights and Fans himself.
Yeah.
And I had this fan for 2 months, and I've been lazy to do a video on it. Yeah.
Because he broke it.
I didn't break it. God damn. Anyway, it's not on a controller or anything at the moment because that controller is hooked up to the DMZ that's in my room. So for now she's on a extended plug which goes to 40 volts, which goes straight to high. Anyway, let's turn it on. Does take a little while to speed up, but yeah.
It's quite a good fan, actually. For what they are.
Yeah.
So that should be for a few $100s.
Yeah. And surprisingly, this thing doesn't wobble, even though when Lachlan done a video on it, it wobbled, but I somehow fixed it, or it fixed itself. You go, push up to full speed. I'm use some toilet paper as the airflow thing. As you can see, it's actually a good air mover. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off here.
So what's the spin down like, Shannon?
Oh, it's good spin down. It's pretty long.
Good spin down.
Yeah.
Not broken yet.
It's not broken. No, it's not broken.
Yet.
I mean, yet.
Make sure you subscribe before that fan stops.
Yes. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. If you don't, then there'll be consequences.
The fan's never gonna stop.
Yeah. And also go and subscribe to Lachlan's channel as well, if you guys haven't already.
Yeah, he got me to 1 billion subscribers.
Mm.
It'd be nice to have 1 billion.
Get all the play buttons in the world.
Go subscribe to Shannon, he needs it.
Yes. Yes.
it's taken too long. These people haven't subscribed yet, obviously.
Okay, he's finally stopped.
Somebody subscribed.
Yes. So yeah, like I said, go and check out Lachlan's channel if you guys haven't already, and make sure to subscribe to him too. And thanks for watching.